Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download language in Google Translate on your iPhone so you can use it offline without the internet. Let's begin. First, open the Google Translate app in your iPhone and make sure you are connected with good internet for this part so you can download the language. Choose the language you want. At the top of the app, you will see two boxes. The language you want to translate from, the language you want to translate to. Tap either one to open the list of language. Find the download button. When the list opens, look for the language you want like English, Nepali, Hindi, Spanish, French and more. Next to many languages, you will see a download arrow icon. This icon means the language you can download. Tap the download arrow next to language you want. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to download it. Tap download. The language file will start downloading. It may take few seconds depending on your internet speed. After the download finishes, the arrow icon will turn into a check mark. That means the language is now saved on your iPhone. To see all your offline language, tap the menu icon on three lines in the top left corner. Here you will see every language you have downloaded. Now turn off your Wi-Fi or mobile data, go back to Google Translate, use a word or sentence and Google will translate. That's because the language is saved offline. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.